how to change the tracking speed of your Magic Mouse on the macOS. So I recently bought a new Magic Mouse and I think the tracking speed is very slow even if it's set to the maximum tracking speed. So firstly you can open your settings, scroll down and find the mouse option, and here is the tracking speed. So you can simply adjust this to the maximum, but I think it's still slow. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to speed it up over the tracking speed settings limit. So first step is to open your terminal, and the next step is to copy this first prompt. You can find it down below in description, and it will tell you which speed you have on your Magic Mouse right now. So I got the number 3. If you have your mouse set to the maximum tracking speed, you will also have the number 3. So the next step is to copy and paste this second prompt, and we will set it to number 8. You can set it to number 5 or 6 or even 12 if you want more speedy mouse cursor. So simply press enter. If you want to double check, you can also copy this first command again, paste it here, press enter, and now it should be to the number 8 as Magic Mouse tracking speed. And the last step is to log out from your account. Again, you can log in and it should be working. So I'm gonna do it now. Now I'm back and the tracking speed of my Magic Mouse is higher. So you can try it on your own. I got the latest version 2024 Mac, so it should be working for you as well. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.